New year, same you. Let's fix that. On this channel, you're going to be able to see, I don't know if you guys have seen this stuff yet, but I have my story, which talks about how I overcome hardship. And I've basically, I had a lot of health problems. I've watched a lot of people just suffer, and I've done a lot of research. And so I want to share what I know, right? I want to help you guys not have to deal with the suffering that I've witnessed and endured. Um, but you can also see I have food plan videos. I have history, food history, a little history of food in there. Um, let's see, I have exercise. I show myself exercising. I wanted you guys to see that I'm not just talking, that I actually do this stuff, right? I have my videos of me in my kitchen. It's not the greatest video, but remember, I'm learning too. So this is all stuff I'm learning too. I'm getting better every day with this YouTube thing, right? So, um, but I talk about my supplements, what I take, why I take them, why did I start taking them, why would I start taking these things? I take like probably 10 or 12 of them every day, and so that stuff, how important that is. You're also going to see lots of quotes on this channel. I'm all about quotes. I'm a teacher. I love quotes. So you're going to see some fun historical quotes, some quotes that'll get you thinking, some quotes that you can cut, you can put on your refrigerator. Besides the blueprint for weight loss and for exercise success, in those programs, I have downloadable. Everything's downloadable. Everything's there for you. It's done. You got your food plan, you got your exercise plan. I'm doing so then we can get more people to try to eat healthy and be healthy, and then lose weight, and then actually maybe help the planet too. Sustainable. Maybe help this planet, because we're destroying this planet with all this stuff that we're poisoning. With all the food and all that junk, man. It goes right into our world, and just like it goes into our body, and just it's destroying everything. So we got to try to change this thing together, right? So. Um, anyway, yeah. So go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, share. Right, share with everybody, because we want people to get healthy. And I'll see you guys. Happy New Year, happy 2025.